Welcome back to Algebra 2, Chapter 6, Section 7. In this book, we've been doing lots of polynomials and solutions and all that. So, there was something I meant to say last time and I forgot. So, remember how first we did long division, and then we did synthetic division, and then we said, but you can use synthetic division to find factors, but you have to be able to decide what to divide into it, and all the numbers in the universe, we can use that equation we learned to narrow it down and then start trying to find ones that have 0 for a remainder. The thing I forgot to tell you is it's 2020, and you can graph it to get the solutions, and then all of your ones that you've gotten together, you can look at and go, okay, that looks like it's crossing at 1, so I'm going to try, I'm going to try that. I'm going to try those. By looking at the graph, so get really good at these graphs, then you can sort of work backwards from your solutions. And then the other thing, this is the fundamental theorem of algebra, which is a very grand title for what this is. I don't know that this is the most important thing in algebra, but it certainly got the most important sounding name, and this is what it is. The exponent of the leading term, its degree, tells you how many total solutions. So if I have x squared plus x plus 3, we'll say plus 2x plus 3. It needs to be a minus here. Anyway, we're just making one up, and I'm not doing a very good job at it. We'll make it 4x. That's all. That works. Okay. So here is an equation. It has 2 for the exponent of the leading term when you put them in descending order by x's. Okay. And so that means that this function has 2 answers. It has 2 solutions. It crosses the x-axis in 2 places, but there's more to it than that. The exponent of the leading degree tells you how many total solutions there are. Real solutions and imaginary solutions. And if there's a place where, your u is sitting on it and it ends up being on there twice, say it is x plus 3 squared, which just means this u is sitting on -3. But it lists it twice. It'll list it twice in your quadratic equation program too. It'll say -3, -3. It's just one place that u is sitting on -3. But you still count that as 2. And then it will tell you, so if it's x to the 5th power, then all together, real, imaginary, and doubles is going to end up having 5 solutions. Now, if it is a quadratic equation, the discriminant program will give you the imaginary solutions too, if it is quadratic. Now, so I want you to, your book talks about how you can also use your calculator to find solutions. That's what I want you to be good at. I want you to know this exists, but I don't really necessarily care that you go as deep into it as this chapter has. Be able to do the homework I assigned for you, but this is really more of a pre-calculus concept. So I would like, you to be familiar with it. This is an introduction. Be good at doing your calculator, but more than that, I don't really necessarily want. I want you to do all the calculator labs and understand that. And then I want you to understand what it means when it says the fundamental theorem of algebra. You look at that degree to find out how many total solutions there are. All right? Math is great. Come back and we'll learn some more about polynomials.